Today in the livestock market, cattle was a little bit easier. That higher open retreated to a little bit of a lower close. I think the quiet cash markets did affect that market, and it makes it really difficult to really hold prices a little bit higher. Futures are expected to strengthen as the grain prices come down, so that should be helping the market somewhat. And of course, we've been waiting and being driven by more demand going forward. The option open interest is active in both calls and puts, and that's like helping traders to be able to manage their positions and really manage the uncertainty that we've had in the livestock market as a whole. Feeders were steady today. Box beef values did remain very strong, and futures are consolidating really towards the higher part of the range that we had yesterday, even though we didn't make a new high. That being said, that the entire beef complex will be affected by the grain rally and the higher feed costs. So we're going to be looking at that going forward. The significant rallies are just hard to come by at this point. Now, hogs were higher, and the big rebound off the lower start was really helpful in just showing that the market has a little bit more support in it. Now, pork demand remains strong throughout January, and long-term support is showing in the deferred months. Now, that indicates that they were expecting a bump in demand as we move further into 2021. So we're going to be looking for that going forward. The livestock markets as a whole are vulnerable to the news of the day, so that's something to watch day by day. But for the next couple of days, we expect it to be strong as we start to move to the final week of January.